It's absolutely a go-to, in my opinion, the flexibility of the homes.
On to the master. All right. I might sound like a broken record, but views, and even in the bathroom, you got views. You can see the whole property, more elegant finishes with the queen size bed, this gas fireplace, and attached to the master, you have a full walk-in closet with a window. Also, you have a bidet, sink, a washer dryer combo here in this closet, and a beautiful, grandiose shower right here. That being a sportsman paradise, after you've processed your big game on the countertop, you can, you can finish the process in here with your freeze dryer. You have a freezer, refrigerator combo, and a deep freeze in here. You have a sink, and you can walk back out into the patio.
Right, so we have this stamped concrete floor, which is great because of the in-floor heating.